Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today I'm going to go over what is in my drone bag. So that is the topic of today's video, and so without further ado, let's get started. And so I'm going to open up and show you guys what's inside. So for starters, we have the drone, which is the DJI Mini 2. Got this with the Fly More combo that comes with the bag, and this has been a great drone, and a review is coming on it in a little bit. But yeah, so here's the little drone, here's a little cover, and I have some ND filters that we will discover later. But that is the drone for now. It comes with the smart controller, I believe. This is just the one that comes with the drone. Very good controller, long battery life. I like the design. Well, this is my first drone actually. So far I have fallen in love with DJI. Going on with the bag, just a simple little battery smart hub. So this smart hub has 3 batteries, and so these batteries get around 31 minutes of flight time, and I normally get around 25 to 27. It's pretty good. I really like this charger just because it's simple and it's a USB-C into it. Now going on to the front, it's pretty, not much to see here, but we have, these are the Sunny Life ND filters. These were the cheapest ND filters I could find on Amazon, and I have 3 of them. I have an ND16 on the drone right now, I have an ND8, and then I also have a circular polarizer, which has been very useful. Review on these coming as well. But overall, there's one final pouch in my bag. So we have the USB-C cable for Androids, and then we have a few other extra fun goodies. So we have extra thumbsticks that came with the drone. We have extra propellers, which is useful. Some more extra props for if you crash. I believe, this is a tool to replace the propellers, and then this is some more props. So you get around 3 sets of props, which is very nice. Each come with 4. That is what is in my drone bag. So if you have enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more content in 2021, and I will keep you guys posted. So I'll see you guys in the next one.